Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something small that could quietly delay your tax refund this year. And it really comes down to one tiny detail. The IRS is warning taxpayers that a single banking error, even one incorrect digit in your account number, can delay your refund for weeks. For households expecting refunds of several $1,000s, especially after recent tax law changes under President Donald Trump, that kind of delay can seriously disrupt plans. If you're counting on that money for rent, bills, debt, or just catching up financially, this is important. Let me ask you something first. Have you ever mistyped your bank details on an online form? Or had a direct deposit fail because of one wrong number? It happens to almost everyone at some point. Here's what's different now. The federal government has been moving away from paper checks. Under Executive Order 14,247, signed in March 2025, the Treasury Department was directed to modernize how payments are sent to and from Americans' bank accounts. The goal is to reduce fraud, improve efficiency, and strengthen security. On the surface, that makes sense. Paper checks can be lost, stolen, delayed, or altered. Electronic payments are faster and easier to track. But here's what many people are just realizing. Paper checks used to serve as a backup. If your direct deposit failed, the IRS would typically mail you a check. It might take longer, but you'd still receive your money without needing to take extra action. That automatic fallback is now mostly gone. After September 30th, the Treasury largely stopped issuing routine paper refund checks. Direct deposit is now the standard, and in practice, the expectation. You can still file your taxes the same way. That hasn't changed. What's changing is how your refund gets delivered. So what does that mean for you? If your direct deposit information is correct, about 90% of electronically filed returns are processed within 21 days. That's smooth and predictable. But if there's any issue with your bank details, even something minor, your refund can be frozen. And when I say minor, I mean a closed account, an outdated account number, one incorrect digit, a routing number mismatch, even a name mismatch. If the bank rejects the deposit, the IRS does not automatically mail a check. Instead, the refund is placed on hold. Many people don't realize there's a problem until they receive a CP-53 notice by mail. That letter explains that your refund couldn't be delivered due to invalid or missing direct deposit information. At that point, you have 30 days to update your banking details through your IRS online account. And this part is important. IRS employees cannot update your bank information over the phone or in person. For security reasons, it must be done through your online account. If you don't already have one set up, this might be the year to create it before filing. Let's break this down into simple steps. First, before filing, verify your routing and account numbers directly from your bank statement. Don't rely on memory. Don't reuse old information without confirming it. Second, make sure the account is open and active. Many people accidentally reuse details from an account they closed months ago. Third, log into or create your IRS online account now. If something goes wrong, you'll be ready to act quickly. If you receive a CP-53 notice and update your banking information within 30 days, the refund status usually refreshes within 2 to 5 days. But if you miss that 30-day window, the IRS will issue a paper check only after roughly 6 additional weeks. That means what could have been a 3-week turnaround can easily turn into 2 months or longer. And timing matters. Many families rely on their refund to pay off credit cards, cover medical expenses, catch up on bills, or help relatives. For some, it's the one financial reset of the year. So why is the IRS taking such a strict approach? According to the administration, Electronic payments reduce fraud and improper payments because they create digital confirmation trails. Paper checks are more vulnerable to theft and interception. There have also been significant staffing reductions, about a 27% cut in 2025, which means the agency is leaning more heavily on automated systems. Automated systems are efficient, but they're not flexible. If a deposit is rejected, the system freezes it. There's no judgment call. This shift is part of a broader modernization effort. The IRS is encouraging electronic payments for refunds and tax payments alike. Systems like direct pay, debit card payments, and online accounts are being emphasized. EFTPS for individuals is expected to be phased out in 2026. This isn't just about refunds. It's part of a larger digital transition. Now, what about people who don't have traditional bank accounts? The IRS has acknowledged that not everyone has easy access to banking services. In coordination with agencies like the FDIC and the National Credit Union Administration, they're promoting low-cost or no-cost accounts. Some prepaid debit cards and certain mobile payment platforms may also accept direct deposit. There are limited hardship exceptions where paper checks may still be issued, but those cases are uncommon. If you don't currently have a bank account, this might be a good time to explore options at a local credit union. Many offer simple, low-fee checking accounts that can help prevent delays in the future. One more important reminder: the IRS will not call, text, or email you asking for your banking information. If someone does, it's likely a scam. Official communication about a rejected direct deposit will arrive by mail to your last known address. I've personally seen how frustrating this can be. A family member once entered one incorrect digit in their account number. We didn't realize the mistake until the refund didn't arrive. Fixing it took weeks, and that was before these updated procedures. Now, with the freeze process in place, it could take even longer. Technically, providing direct deposit information is voluntary. You can file without it. But if you don't include it and don't qualify for an exception, your refund could take significantly longer to arrive. Your return itself will still be processed. It's the refund delivery that gets delayed. Here's the key takeaway. We're now in a system where precision matters more than ever. One small clerical error can be the difference between receiving your refund in 21 days and waiting months. Most people assume tax delays come from audits or complicated forms. And sometimes that's true. But this year, one of the biggest risks is simply a typo in your banking information. Even if your refund is frozen, your tax return is still processed. The filing is valid. The money is just paused until you take action. So stay proactive. Check your mail regularly during tax season. Monitor your IRS online account. Consider filing early if you're expecting a larger refund, giving yourself extra time to resolve any issues. If you're feeling anxious about this, that's understandable. Refunds often provide breathing room. They help people reset financially. But the solution is simple. Slow down when you file. Double-check your direct deposit details. Set up your IRS online account. Act quickly if you receive a notice. 5 extra minutes of accuracy can save you weeks of stress. Small details matter, especially when it comes to your money.